Our Simon Says Stamp Half Sheet Cardstock Sleeves are the newest addition to our line of Pawsitively Everything storage collection. You'll find many uses for these sturdy sleeves, from paper to cardstock, specialty surfaces, and more. Each pack of our half sheet cardstock sleeves come with 6 sleeves, measuring 6 3/4 by 9.5 inches. Same as our original Pawsitively Everything cardstock sleeves, the new smaller size is made from the same heavy-duty plastic and are riveted on the sides, ensuring that your sleeves will not break from use. You'll notice a little notch taken out of the front part of the sleeve at the top. This makes it easier for you to slip your cardstock in and out of the sleeves while you work. Inside the sleeves, you can store many of our Simon exclusive products, including acetate, glitter paper, specialty materials such as shrink sheets and velvet paper, and so much more. Basically anything that is 5.5 by 8.5 inches or smaller will fit inside. The amount of sheets that will fit will vary depending upon the thickness of the material, but as a guide, an entire pack of any of our Simon exclusive half sheet products will fit comfortably inside. We think you'll find these half-sheet cardstock sleeves extremely useful in your crafting space to not only organize your supplies beautifully, but also protect them when they're not in use. You can find our cardstock sleeves at our Simon Says Stamp store. We have links to the products mentioned in the video description, so be sure to check that out. We hope this quick tip has been helpful, and thanks so much for watching.
I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.